Hi everyone, I'm Alina Timofeeva. I'm focused on technology and financial services. Well, I guess one of the things is the corporates have tried to innovate for a while now, but the existing pathways to innovations haven't always been successful. And one of the reasons for it is that there is quite a lot of legacy, whether it's in technology or in data. So new digital ventures is an alternative way to deal with the legacy so that the corporates can respond faster to the market transformations. And I guess what is very important is whilst we think that today is probably 62% of companies that have building the new business ventures is top of the three priorities. By 2026, we are looking that 50% of executives are going to essentially have company revenues coming from new products, new services, and new business models. So CIO has an opportunity to support the CEO around these new digital ventures. And essentially what is very key here is putting the customer-centric mindset at the heart of the growth strategy. And there are different ways you think about it. There is the business model innovation, and then there is also the technology modernization. So in terms of the business model innovation, and this is probably one of the key things here, is putting the customer at the heart of the change and making sure that you can innovate the business model so that it's essentially focuses on the key market propositions or the key customer segment. And the second part, which is more technology modernization, whilst we've seen quite a lot of examples of this, it is more focused on developing the new modern core banking technology platform and ultimately thinking about reducing the operating costs, having an enhanced customer experience, enhanced customer service, better speed to market, lower cost, much better scalability, much better value optimization. But ultimately, at the heart of this transformation, the customer is the customer. So it's all about being relevant to the customer, bringing value to the customer, and bringing economic value. I think whilst historically legacy was very key in terms of the bank's transformation, I think going forward, it is essentially looking at data as a strategic asset to drive measurable business value. And whilst historically data was seen as a risk, so anything to do with the data that you need to control, the things around the data quality, addressing the regulatory issues, now is more thinking about the strategic use of data so that you can support the top line revenue, so that you can support the customer growth, you can support the new propositions rather than just addressing the regulatory issues. And I think more and more banks are looking into opportunities to drive new revenue streams using data, to use advanced analytics and AI to open opportunities for data modernization. And I think the key thing which we're seeing much more often is essentially increasing the value of data within the bank and also driving cultural change so that it's not only seen by the CDO, CIO, but throughout the business and throughout the bank up to the customers.